Hey everybody, I got these LUYED LED series lights for my 75 Jeep CJ5, and I believe they're the 1157 replacement. So you can see they have the little off-center pegs in there. They look really good quality. They come in this nice box and a little static bag. Here's the number. Okay, so we're gonna do a little daytime test. So here's my tail lights, and let's go ahead and pop this guy in. Alright, they only go in one way really. Alright, tail lights. I put a little tin foil in there for more reflectivity. Tail lights. Alright, hit the brakes. Let off. Hit them. Let off. Okay, right blinker. Left blinker. Now, for whatever reason, it is not blinking. And I put my bulb back in there and it blinks. And then I put the other bulb I got in here and it won't blink. So, I don't know why. Maybe it's the flasher? Okay. Alright, let off. Shut off the lights. Okay, we're going to put this on. See if there's any brightness difference. Hold on. Sorry about this, guys. I need 3 hands is what I need. Okay, turn on the running lights. Okay, big difference. Okay, brake lights. Let off. Way big difference. Do it again. Do it a few times. A lot brighter. Alright, right blinker. Left blinker. Alright. Shut off the lights. Now just hit the brakes. Alright, big difference. Alright. And just to show you guys real quick that the old bulb works. Pull this guy out. And these are the bulbs that I had in there. They're amber tint. And I'll just throw this guy in. Okay. Alright, turn on lights. Right blinker. Left blinker. Alright. And brake lights. That's brakes? Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so maybe someone can leave a comment on why my blinker, you know what, maybe I have to put both of them in to make the flasher work. I'm not sure. Alright, if you guys know what I'm doing wrong, just leave a comment. Thanks, Justin.